Yeah, we've literally already, well, I didn't, but my family's already shoveled like 4 times, and it keeps replenishing. I don't understand. That's a door. That's like up to the door handle. And that's from the plow, and it's already replenished all the snow. This is crazy. So as you guys could see, that was some of my Snapchat footage from the blizzard Jonas that Maryland is in right now. It started with like flurries, and then it just kept going and going and going. If you saw on my Snapchat, it's like it started at like 8, and then it went to like 17, and now it's at 24, and it's just like crazy, and it's still snowing. Like, it's definitely slowing down, and I think it's basically over. But it's like that was just in one location. It's more than 2 feet in in other places, but that's what I measured on my deck, which is where we kind of just left alone. But yeah. So I turned on my light just so you could see like how much snow is on my window, because it was so windy. It just like stuck to my window. So for the past like day and a half, I've just been inside because of the snow, and I'm not 100% knee-wise, and I've been getting over a cold. So I've just been chilling inside, online shopping with money I don't have. So that's pretty much summed up what I've been doing. I filmed a video today, which is good. And I kind of want to film more, but I want to film one video especially, but I want to do that with one of my friends. And I can't do that because she's like at her house, snowed in as well as me. So we will film that video soon. And I'm in my unicorn onesie that my friends got me for Christmas, which I'm obsessed with. And it's the comfiest thing, and it's like perfect snow like attire. But yeah. Oh my god, the road.
Look at this file down here. This is the elementary school. On both sides.
There's no lane. That's the lane. Yeah, this is dangerous. Oh my god. There's so much snow everywhere.